Another big story at 5. The fight over gay marriage in Wisconsin goes to federal court. The American Civil Liberties Union filed a lawsuit today.
It's representing a group of same-sex couples. They want Wisconsin to be the next state to allow same-sex couples to get married. Steve
Chamarez is here to begin our big story coverage. Steve.
Carol and Mike, the voters here in the state of Wisconsin approved an amendment to the state constitution banning gay marriage or anything similar to it. This lawsuit filed today argues the ban deprives same-sex couples of legal protections that married couples have. It says there's no reason for this other than the sexual orientation of the couples. The suit in Wisconsin, one of many filed since the U.S. Supreme Court struck down the federal defense of marriage law.
A majority is starting to see that this is the right thing to do. We feel that Wisconsin should be part of that conversation.
The suit also challenges the part of Wisconsin law that makes it a crime for Wisconsin couples to get married in other states if their marriage will not be recognized here. Mike and Carol.
All right, thank you, Steve.
A same-sex couple from Milwaukee is part of that lawsuit.
Lacey Crisp is live with that part of our big story coverage. Lacey.
4 couples are challenging the current law. One of those couples from Milwaukee tell me they just want to be able to raise their sons together in a legal marriage.
I'm slightly old-fashioned, and I believe that if you're in a relationship and you've committed yourself to someone, that you should get married.
Jarvon Kemp and Marie Carlson have been together for more than 7 years. They explain instead of going to another state to get married, they decided to fight for marriage in their home state.
We both believe in abiding by the law, so going to another state really isn't much of an option, even though we've talked about it.
But back in 2006, the state passed the Marriage Protection Amendment Act, which changed the state constitution banning gay marriage. Jelena Appling is the president of Wisconsin Family Action, the group that spearheaded the legislation.
What's your reaction to today's filing by the ACLU?
Well, on one level, I'm not surprised. This has been the mode of operating since the Supreme Court, U.S. Supreme Court, in June of last year handed down the decision regarding the Prop 8 and the Defense of Marriage Act.
And she argues even with the lawsuit, her group will continue to fight for their beliefs in a traditional marriage, even if it means getting involved in the lawsuit.
It's about the institution of marriage, and that's what we'll safeguard with every fiber of our being and with every resource we have.
And Attorney General J.B. Van Hollen sent this statement saying the constitutional amendment was approved by a large majority of Wisconsin residents. I believe the amendment is constitutional and I will vigorously defend it. Reporting live from downtown Milwaukee, Lacey Crisp, today's TMJ4.
Lacey, thank you very much. Meanwhile, Minnesota, Iowa, and Illinois are among the 17 states with marriage equality laws. Indiana and Michigan ban same-sex marriage.